one verified which one it was on the alarm panel, and we usually put an X on something that we feel is going bad or that is bad on our maintenances. So obviously this one was written up and no one did anything about it, and now they're calling in a service call on it. So I'll take it apart and see what's going on, if the control board's got some moisture on it or just failed. Alright, so I just took this screw out and that's what I get. Oh my gosh. Moisture problem, guys? Maybe. Oh gosh. Wow. Look at all that moisture. And she's a blinking red. There's a little steam action going on there. Huh. Come on, baby, blink. You're making the boys wait. Done blinking. Whew. Something fried. Look at that transformer or something. This is it's got some high voltage going to it right here. We got our alarm and our controls. Shut down the unit. Why did water get in here? We usually silicone these areas down here, the conduits, so moisture don't get in there, but either the panel wasn't screwed on right. It's got a gasket material around it. Wow, yeah, something. That transformer's frying. I'm gonna shut her down, guys. Hopefully she's I might have to shut the breaker off. She goes in the volts. So we're gonna have to find the circuit breaker. Volts. I always like to check continuity. Before I do the testing. You never know. Something could happen. So we're good. I know some guys might say a little tickle from 120 won't hurt, but I just want to be safe over being sorry. So I'm going to take this guy apart and figure out how that water got in there. This cover here is all Volcom. Don't look like any of the water got through there in the back. So I don't know. It could be you know, just the reach dew point. I don't know. we'll do some further investigation. To it right now. Alright guys, got it in. Wrote the date on it. I siliconed inside the conduit here and here, but the majority of the water was coming from the low voltage and the alarm wires here. I'm going to show you a quick measurement of the temperature out here right now. That seal tight runs underneath the curve there. And they make the penetration in here. See, that hole is not sealed. So the air, which is 72 degrees in here, is making its way in there and then condensating enough to produce that amount of maybe whatever it was, like 2 cups of water or something like that crazy inside this seal tight. So I'm going to seal that up with silicone as well, create a little barrier there, and hopefully we can prevent this problem from happening again. They're going to get a little smell going inside, maybe a little, but it won't hurt them. I'd rather do this than have another service callback for the same thing. I have to warranty it.